Y2K crochet crop tops.
No, I don't think you understand. I'm upset.
Shrug hoodie in long sleeve cardigan.
Love this Shrug hoodie. Cardigan is holly and Tito. Turtleneck sweater perfect for Siberia. Okay, now I'm feeling myself. This bodysuit doesn't ride up my nuggets. Just saying. All these tops linked in my Amazon storefront.
Levitating moon lamp.
I waited all week for this to come in. Even my cat is excited, and it's not even for him. I saw everyone on TikTok get the white one, so I decided to get the colorful one. Here it is on my levitating colorful moon. It took a few practice to get it to levitate, but I did it. I can look at this forever long. I'm crying goodbye.
Hair straightening brush.
Amazon beauty favorites. I am obsessed with this straightening brush. It works so well. As you can see, my one side is already straight, so I'm straightening this side. It definitely works, and it's so easy and it's so fast. I highly recommend it.
Fasteners rivet clips.
Amazon car favorite.
Fastener rivet clips with 6 size suitable for most cars. Easy to install quickly. Saves time and effort. Do not rust or rot.
Lip sleeping mask and lip glowy balm.
Cause you don't think I know what you've done, but baby, I know.
Fruit storage containers.
Bongo la, bongo cha-cha-cha.
Acrylic monitor stand and satin bed sheets.
Amazon bedroom finds you need. Acrylic tray. Bed frame. Silk sheets, good for your skin and hair. Dried lavender.
Blackhead remover.
Amazon Beauty Must-Haves, Part 1, and it's available in Canada. This is a blackhead remover. You use it after you have cleansed your face, and it pulls out all the blackhead, whiteheads out of your skin, and it leaves it feeling refreshed.
Body scrubber. Silicone cooking sheets.
Amazon kitchen favorites. These non-stick sheet pan dividers allow you to cook multiple items at once. You can easily remove ingredients once they are ready and continue to cook the rest of your meal. They make meal prep and cleanup really easy. These sheet pan dividers also have lids that you can use as Tupperware containers for leftovers, and everything is dishwasher safe. Link in bio to shop.
Water carafe and handheld steamer.
New bedroom finds and faves. Firm living carafe and cup. Minimalist hand steamer. Truly diffuser and Aesop on new soil.
You're the one I want. You're the one I need. I'm begging you, please. Can you come back to me? 'Cause I was blind to see that you were right in front of me. You were right in front of me.
Crushing tissue pack.
I was blind to see that you were.
Rechargeable hand warmers.
Amazon must-haves, and it's available in Canada as well as the US. This is a hand warmer, and it also charges your cell phone. So if you run out of battery, you can just plug it in, freezing outside like it's been here.
Laundry pods.
An Amazon cleaning product you absolutely need. I bought this after I saw that it had 20,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. It immediately removed a 2-year-old stain in my carpet, so I wanted to try it on some other stuff. It's safe for fabric, and I've had a really hard time getting these leftover food stains out of my son's clothes. Sprayed on the Folex, gave it a rub, and after the wash, they were gone. I am so amazed that
Bodycon high-waist skirt and 2-piece skirt sets.
You thought I was feeling you? No. Yeah, they got lunch. He ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? No, I was feeling you. That nigga. We gon' get it, we gon' get it, we gon' get it on. We gon' get it, we gon'